Hi. Hi, my name is Marley Dietz, and I'm seeking a Master's of Education in Instructional Technology and School Library Media. I currently work for the USDA as an instructional designer, and I plan to pursue a career immersing technology into the Media Center. Let's get started with Standard 1, Teaching for Learning. This standard taught me the importance of collaborating with other educators to design instruction that engages, motivates, and meets the needs of all students. For this standard, the artifact I chose to highlight is the Instructional Design Unit. I learned how to effectively design an instructional unit by conducting a thorough analysis to determine the abilities and needs of the students while integrating 21st century skills and learning standards. I also chose to use screencasting as an artifact in the online learning module. Let's move on to Standard 2, Literacy and Reading. This standard taught me the importance of fostering students' lifelong love of learning and reading, and speaks to the very core of what makes a media specialist touch the hearts of their students. For this standard, the artifact I chose to highlight is the face-to-face reading collaborative unit. I learned how media specialists can collaborate with grade level teachers to determine literacy strategies that the students are currently working on. I used an engaging Halloween book to teach print concepts, character, setting, problem, solution, and retelling or sequencing the story. It was the most fun I had all semester, and the students were looking forward to seeing me the next week for the following lesson. Two other artifacts I chose to include are the book trailer and the banned books assignment. Now let's look at Standard 3, Information and Knowledge. This standard taught me about the responsibility media specialists have for educating students on how to access reliable information safely and responsibly, and how difficult it can be to determine what is safe and what is reliable. For this standard, the artifact I chose to highlight is the Digital Citizenship Unit. I learned how to effectively teach students what it means to be a digital citizen and the importance of being safe on the internet. I took the opportunity to gear the assignment to our earliest learners to understand how to teach the topic in an age-appropriate manner. When I led professional development on FLIT, the media specialist was most interested on the ideas other educators had posted to the shared topic session about digital citizenship. This further solidified just how important the subject is to media specialists. Now let's look at Standard 4, Advocacy and Leadership. This standard taught me the importance of collaboration with all parties connected to the library community to support student learning and achievement with positive environments and robust programs. During practicum, I learned about the ways the media specialists network with others, including weekly Teams meetings just to check in and chat, and monthly district planning meetings. For this standard, the artifact I chose to highlight is the online staff development workshop on the instructional technology tool FLIP. I enjoyed being able to teach the adults in a professional development setting. I previously had only taught children, and I found joy in sharing what I know with others and being of service. It was a wonderful experience being able to network with other educators and get feedback on what was important to them. I also included the interviews with the other school library media specialists and the technology advocate presentation I did on podcasts in the classroom. Finally, let's look at Standard 5, Program Management and Administration. This standard taught me how to effectively support the library program's mission through evaluating collection needs, ethical practice, administration, and planning. The bulk of this information I learned through my practicum hours, and I learned so much from this experience, like the importance of evaluating the collection needs of the Media Center. I learned how the needs of the Media Centers vary greatly from elementary to middle to high. For this standard, the artifact I chose to highlight is the Strategic Management Plan. It gave me the opportunity to collaborate with another aspiring media specialist to carefully analyze a media program. This was one of my first big projects during my master's program that gave me an insider preview of the Media Center's mission and vision while showing the administrative side I had not previously considered. This assignment helped me to later evaluate my site placement with deeper understanding. And some other artifacts I included were collection, evaluation, and weeding, the grant application, and the program evaluation rubric. And this is the rubric that I was talking about that the strategic management plan really helped set me up for. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen.